Yo, what's up everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to solve the coolest question, which is record data in log files. So this question is very good. So basically what we have to do, we have to maintain the data in the record according to their logs. So what did I mean by saying this? Okay, let's look at the question first, like what they are saying, so you will understand by over here only. You're given an array of logs. So we're given an array of log. Each log is space delimited strings of words where the first word is identifier. Okay, so what is identifier means? Like, let's say we have something like art, and this how this will be identifying. So this will be identifying, like, let's say let1. So let1 is an identifier, this is an ID. Okay, and they are saying like there are two types of logs. There are two types of logs: letter logs and digit logs. And so letter logs are consist of lowercase English letters. So they are on like a small one, like this. Okay, till 26. Okay, and they have digit logs. So digit logs is like simple, like 1 2 3, like that. Right, consist of digits only. Okay, so now they are saying record these logs so that the letter logs come before all the digit logs. Like, for example, like we have two logs over here with us. Let's say like this. Okay, so we will just work on their first thing. What they are saying, guys, like, let's say we have let2, which is a digit log, let's say. Okay, and we have let1, which is art is. Okay, so what they're saying, the letter logs come before digit logs. So this one will come first. So this one will come at the first one. Okay, right, and this one is going to come as second. So like if we give the output, then it will come like this: art is 8564, like this. All right. Okay, now what they are saying, the letter logs are sorted lexicographically by their content. If their contents are same, then sort them lexicographically by their identifier. Okay, so what they are saying over here is, let's say we have something like known for. So we have to sort them lexicographically. You know what is lexicographically? Lexicographically means like we have to sort them according to dictionary order. So in, like, you know, in the dictionary order, the A come first, then B come, then C come, like that. Similarly, we have to sort them according to like that only. So now what will be our output in this one? So this one will be again the first one, this will be second. So our answer will be art is known for. This will be our output. Okay, so now like they will be like that. Okay, so never mind. And okay, like this. All right, now let's say what in this one letter log only, they are saying, what if we have something like this: art is. Now they both are similar. Now you can't say like this one will come first, because you know, if you look at over here, this is like art is, this same art is, like everything is same. Okay, so what we will do, we will check now by their identifiers. Okay, so this let1 will become first, the let2 will become second. So our output will be art is artist. Okay, I think this thing is clear to you guys. Now the third condition, they are saying digit logs maintain their relative ordering. Okay, so what did it mean by is, let's say for example we have something like this. Okay, we have like 8 5 6, and we have 2 3 4. All right, so if we just check, we will check by their by their indexes, like you know, indexing in the mathematics, like by their numbers. So 2 is smaller than 8, we will put it like 2 3 4 and 8 5 6, like that. Okay, but if they both are similar, then we will check by their identifiers. Okay, now how we will like, one rule for this is like so how we will do this is like whether they are similar. If they both are similar, just note this thing: if they both are similar, then we will simply return 0. Okay, then the identifier will be help us in that. If let's say we have first digit, then we have letter, like, and letter, we have second letter. So how we gonna arrange this? So letter will come first before the digit. Okay, so we will return minus, or we will return 1 for that. Okay, but what if we have letter in the starting and digit in the later on? So we will simply maintain that relative order, we don't have to change it. So we will simply return -1. So these are the main 3 rules which you have to know, because we will use this thing in our question to compare this. Okay guys, and one more thing, like I forgot to tell you, like let's say for example we have let2 is like art is, and we say like let1 is vr. So like how will you compare this one? So we will compare by this first element of this. So like lexicographically we will compare. But what if I will say if the first element is same, the complete string is same, if it is art as well? Okay, now what will happen, we will check by the split. By the split we will say like after this the what will be the first. So we'll compare by the lexicographic like this only over here as well. Okay, I hope this thing is questioning to you guys what they are saying, what we have to do. So now let's just move to the code without wasting any further time. Alright guys, so yeah, here we go. So first of all what I will do, I will try to sort the array using comparison method. So what I will say, I will simply write arrays dot sort, and over here we are using logs. Okay, now I have to use two logs to compare. Okay, so I will call them, let's say let1 and let2. Alright guys, so this will be pointing it, and here we go. Now what I will do, I will create two string function. So I will call it split one. Okay, so I will check by this after the space two elements I will check. Okay, so it's string split one, let one dot split space, and after two elements. All right, similarly we will check string split two array let two dot split similar space, and after two elements. Now I will check whether they are digit or not by saying boolean is digit 1. Okay, so I will say I want to have their characters. By checking that, I will say character dot is digit, and over here split 1 of 1 dot char at. So it will check their first element, first index. Okay, so it will check whether it is a letter or a digit. Similar for the second one as well. So I will just simply copy and paste this one. Okay, like I don't want to create it again and again, and I will simply put 2 over here as well, 2. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. Now is the time when I will check whether they are letter or digit, or in which order they are maintained. So I will say if is not digit, if letter is not digit, I will now I'm checking whether they both are letter. If they both are letter, I'm for that. If it is no digit 1. Okay, and similarly no digit 2 is no digit 2. Then what I will do, I will compare. Now I will compare int let's say compare. Okay, now what I will do, it will compare split 1 of 1 dot using comparison. This is the inbuilt method in Java. Compare to split 2 of 1. Okay, now here's the thing, like I told you, what if they both are similar, they're both like they both have art, is like if they both have similar strings in them. Okay, so how we will compare them? We will compare by using their identifiers. So in that I will say if compare is equals to 0, they both are similar, then I will simply return. Now it will compare by using their identifiers. So I will say split 1 of 0, my mistake, 0 dot compare to split 2 of 0. Okay guys, all right. But what if like if they are not similar, they are different, then our int compare function will tell like whether we have to return 1 or -1. Okay, so we will say else return compare. All right guys, okay, now let's say like if we both have digits, then what we will do? If we both have digits, if is digit 1 and is digit 2. Okay, if we both have digit, then we will simply return 0 for that. Okay, now let's say else if the first one is digit but the second one is a the first identifier is a digit but second is a, let's say, letter. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will simply return 1 for that, is digit 1 and note is digit 2. So what will happen then, it will change the ordering, so it will move the letter to the forward, okay, the first place, and then it will put the digit in the second place. Okay, so we will simply return 1 for that. Okay, else, like now you are saying else what happened, like the first one is, you think like first one is a letter and second one is a digit. If that's so, then just maintain their relative ordering, don't change it. Okay, that, so we will simply return -1 for that. Okay, and finally we have to return our log. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you guys, this code is crystal clear to you. So we just did a little mistake, which is split. Okay, so we just did a spelling mistake grammatically. Similar over here as well. And here we go. So I just did a little grammar mistakes happen. We are engineers do mistakes. So I hope this code is very clear to you guys. Let me just finally give a quick submit. So if you see, okay, and let me just first of all erase these things. I don't want to mess everything. Alright, so we are good to go, guys. Alright, so if you want to see this code, just have a look over here. Okay, alright, so I just want to say thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. If you like this video, then do hit a like, okay, please, because it helps motivate me to upload a regular videos on such a nice contents on like these questions. So guys, you know, I have created this playlist called top 100 Leetcode easy questions. So it means like these are the best Leetcode questions which you definitely have to watch, because you know, like I have the using the Leetcode premium, I figured it out like which one are the best. In this list consists of the best Leetcode questions, the top 100 which you should have to practice before going to the interview. So like you will get every question is with a different concept, so they not are similar, and they are like asked by so many companies. This question has been asked by Amazon recently, like 80 times. Amazon 80 times asked. So this is the favorite question for Amazon if you are preparing for the Amazon. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys.